How to stabilize video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can stabilize video in Capcut. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Stabilizing the video will help you to stable the video which is very shaky. So to do that, open your Capcut application. Now under the projects, here you can see all the projects that I have initially edited. Now select any one of the video. Now click on the video. Now at the bottom of the screen, here you will see different options at the toolbar. Now scroll at the toolbar until you see the option of stabilize. Click on that stabilize option. Now here you will see three different options in order to stabilize the video. You can choose any one of the options from minimal cropping, recommended and most stable. You can choose any of the options. For example, I will choose recommended option. Here you will see one of the messages pop up on your screen. Click on OK. Again, click on that tick mark option at the bottom of the screen. Now your video will be stabilized. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.